Top editing apps you must have. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So if you are interested in photo editing or you just do it for fun and for uploading it on social media, I have got two best applications. Number one is Snapseed. You can easily get it on your Play Store. Simply search for Snapseed. This is the one that you will be looking for. In this application, you can change several factors of the image like its preset and also change its true tone. As you can see, here are several options like you can make vintage images, you can change your blur edits, white balance, raw editing, and many more. So this application is completely free and easy to use as well. So the next application I am talking about here
Check from the phone.
is Lightroom. So this is also easily available in your Play Store and your App Store. Simply search for Lightroom, and here you can see there are so many features. You can change your background, remove background if you use the premium version. There is also a premium version of this application, but you can use it for free as well. You can do color enhancement, blur your backgrounds, edit videos, and many more. So for a bonus application, this is one is called Remix. This is also Remini. This is also a photo editing application which is very much good. As you can see, you can change several features of a photo. If you have closed eyes, you can undo it. You can also enhance your qualities of videos and your photos as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.